Have you ever thought about how you could earn money from freelancing with ChatGPT? Let's kick things off by introducing ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI model that has an impressive ability to generate human-like text. It's like having a conversation with a person, but it's a machine. This technology is already making waves in numerous sectors, from customer service to content creation, thanks to its versatility and efficiency. So, where does freelancing come into the picture? Well, freelancing is essentially about having the freedom to choose when, where, and for whom you work. It's about taking control of your career and your life. When you combine the power of ChatGPT with the flexibility of freelancing, you unlock a world of opportunities. Imagine being able to offer high-quality, AI-powered services to clients around the globe, all from the comfort of your home. Stick around to discover step-by-step how you can turn ChatGPT into a profitable freelancing venture. So, what exactly is ChatGPT and how does it work? You may have heard about ChatGPT and wondered about its capabilities. Well, let's break it down. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, a language model developed by OpenAI. It's an AI that's been trained on a diverse range of internet text, which means it has a wide vocabulary and a good understanding of grammar and context. Now, what makes it unique is its ability to generate human-like text based on the information it's been fed. Whether it's answering questions, writing essays, or even drafting emails, ChatGPT can do it. And it doesn't stop at English, it can handle multiple languages, which makes it versatile. Its applications? They're vast. From customer service to content creation and even tutoring, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? It's a tool that's always learning and improving. Now that we have a basic understanding of ChatGPT, let's delve into how you can use it for freelancing. Ready to dive into the world of freelancing with ChatGPT? Here's how you can get started. First and foremost, acquaint yourself with the realm of freelancing. Understand the market, the opportunities and challenges it brings. Start by researching online, connecting with other freelancers and reading about their experiences. This will give you a broad understanding of what you're stepping into. Next, set your focus on ChatGPT. It's a language prediction model developed by OpenAI. It's like your virtual assistant helping you create human-like text. It's a tool that can enhance your productivity and creativity. Spend some time learning about its features, capabilities, and how it can be used effectively in different scenarios. Now you're ready to set things up. First, you'll need a working computer with a stable internet connection. Then sign up with OpenAI and get access to the ChatGPT API. This is your gateway to leveraging the power of ChatGPT. Remember, there might be some cost involved in using the API, so factor that into your budget. Once you're set up, start practicing. Use the ChatGPT to generate text, create content, respond to queries, and so on. The more you use it, the better you'll understand its strengths and limitations. This practice will help you provide better services to your clients. Speaking of clients, finding them is the next step. Start with your own network. Let them know about your new venture. You can also use freelancing platforms to find jobs. Be proactive, send proposals, and showcase your skills and how ChatGPT can add value to their business. Lastly, continue learning and improving. Freelancing is a journey, not a destination. Stay updated with new features and improvements in ChatGPT. Participate in forums and discussions, share your experiences and learn from others. With these steps, you're well on your way to starting your freelancing journey with ChatGPT. Starting your freelancing journey with ChatGPT is one thing, but succeeding is another. Here are some tips to help you along the way. One of the most critical factors in your freelancing success is the relationships you build with your clients. Developing strong professional bonds is paramount. Remember, your clients are more than just a paycheck. They're your partners, your advocates, and your ticket to future opportunities. Treat them with respect, meet their needs, and exceed their expectations whenever possible. Next, never stop improving your skills. The field of ChatGPT is always evolving, and if you want to stay competitive, you need to evolve with it. Keep your finger on the pulse of the industry. Attend webinars, take online courses, read relevant literature, and always be on the lookout for opportunities to learn. The more you know, the more valuable your services will be. It's also important to keep up with industry trends. The world of ChatGPT is fast-paced and ever-changing. What's popular one day may be obsolete the next. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest developments in the industry. This will not only help you stay current, but it will also give you a competitive edge. Don't forget to take care of yourself too. Freelancing can be demanding, and it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. But remember, A healthy work-life balance is crucial for long-term success. Make time for relaxation, hobbies, and loved ones. Your mental and physical health are just as important as your professional success. Lastly, be patient. Success won't come overnight, and that's okay. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep striving for excellence. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards your goal. Remember, the journey to freelancing success with ChatGPT is a marathon, not a sprint. Start your journey today and experience the flexibility and income potential that freelancing with ChatGPT can offer.